Hi friends, welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss about the daily current affairs. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the further notifications. Here I am going to discuss April 21st current affairs now. Here the first question. Name the Union Cultural Minister who has launched National List of Intangible Cultural Heritage ICH in April 20. Answer is Prahalad Singh Patel. He is the Union Minister for Culture and it was launched in New Delhi with a aim to create awareness about the various intangible cultural heritage sites from different states of India at national and international level. So, moving ahead to next question. Find the Indian ministry which has formulated color codes, that is red, orange and green zones for lockdown 2.0. That is nothing but Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Who is present Ministry of Health and Family Welfare? Is Dr. Harshvardhan. He formulated a new set of guidelines for nationwide lockdown 2.0, that is a smart lockdown, which was started from 20th April and continues till May 3rd, 2020. It has divided all Indian districts into hotspots, that is in red zones, and non-hotspots, orange zones and green zones on the basis of absolute number of cases and the speed of growth in cases. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the first Indian state which carried out the rapid testing for COVID-19. The state is Rajasthan. Okay, moving to next question. What is the amount of fund released to states and UTs under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? And the fund was 7,300 crores. These 7,300 crore rupees was given to the states and UTs under MGNREGA scheme to liquidate pending dues of last financial year. Okay. Moving ahead to next question. South Korean President Moon Jae-in party wins election amid COVID-19 pandemic. He belongs to which party? He belongs to Democratic Party. The Democratic Party of South Korean President Moon Jae-in has won victory in parliamentary elections with 163 seats in the 300-seat National Assembly. It is the first country conducted elections among the COVID-19 pandemic. The capital of South Korea is Seoul and currency of South Korea is South Korean won. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Equitas Small Financial Bank has launched selfie fixed deposits and selfie saving accounts to expand its digital banking services recently. Where is the headquarters of Equitas Small Financial Bank located? It was located in Chennai. Chennai, which is capital of Tamil Nadu. And moving ahead to next question. What is the amount for which RBI announced to conduct action for targeted long-term repo operations 2.0? And it is 50,000 crore rupees. Okay, moving ahead to next question. What is the business confidence index for the fourth quarter of financial year 20 as per National Council for Applied Economic Research 112th Business Expectation Survey? And the answer is 77.3%. What is the S&P Global Ratings revised growth forecast of India for the financial year 2021? And answer is 1.8%. These global ratings has declined India's growth forecast for the financial year 2020 to 1.8% from 3.5%. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Union Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has attended the 101st Development Committee plenary meeting of World Bank IMF recently. Where is the headquarters of IMF located? It was located in Washington DC, US. Who is the director of an IMF? Dr. Kristalina Georgieva. She is a director of an IMF. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The 44th section of UNESCO's World Heritage Committee 2020, which was scheduled at Fauzahow, is postponed. The Fauzahow is the city in which country? It was located in China. The headquarters of United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO is located in Paris, France. Moving ahead to next question. Name the Indian multinational motor company which has acquired 122-year-old iconic British company Norton Motorcycle UK Limited for rupees 153 crore. That is TVS Motor Company. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the Indian movie producer and distributor company which has done first of its kind all share merger with the Hollywood's STX Entertainment. That is Eros International. Moving ahead to next question. Which Indian organization has developed automatic mist based sanitizer dispensing unit and UV sanitization box and handheld UV device recently? It was DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which of the following is India's second institute which decodes entire genome sequence of coronavirus? First National Institute of Virology, that is Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center. Next question. Which command of Indian Navy has developed air evacuation POD for COVID-19 patients? That is Southern Command. This Southern Command Kochi has developed an air evacuation POD to airlift COVID-19 infected patients safely from remote areas such as islands and ships, etc. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Louis Sepulveda Kalfukura, the writer and author who passed away recently, belongs to which country? He belongs to Chile. He is a writer and a journalist. He passed recently. Okay, moving ahead to next question. The Matterhorn mountain was located in which country? This was located in Switzerland. Recently it was in news because Switzerland has expressed solidarity within India in its fight against the coronavirus pandemic by projecting the tricolor flag, that is our national flag, on Matterhorn mountain in the Swiss Alps, to which will give us an hope and strength to all Indians uh, who are fighting against this coronavirus pandemic. So, okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the person who discovered first human coronavirus. He was June Almeida. He is a Scottish virologist. He is credited with discovering the first human coronavirus in 1964. He he find that it was a severe acute respiratory syndrome, and he named it as a SARS-CoV-2 virus, which will mainly affect the respiratory system. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Which IIM institution has developed a website COVID FYI, COVIDFYI.in, which is a one-stop digital directory for all COVID-19 related service and help? That is IIM Kozhikode. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the application that has been launched by Delhi government and advised the officials to use this app to door-to-door survey to COVID-19 containment zones. That is as is Corona. It was launched by Delhi, and the mobile application name is Axis Corona. The CSIR, Central Food Technology Research Institution, is located in which state? It is located in Karnataka. Okay. Which is the first green state in the country with no coronavirus cases? Okay, recently it was news. Already Central has declared 3 zones: red zone, orange zones and green zones. This Goa is the first state which has been declared in the country with no coronavirus cases. Clean up state. The government of which state has partnered with healthcare app Ayu to tackle the coronavirus pandemic? This is Rajasthan. Okay. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that I am able to give more and more content for all. Okay, thank you.